Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. Now that you are familiar with the verbs and conjugations, which you learned from the videos from 172 to 177, we can comfortably move on to various styles of phrases, and what is important now is to build the vocabulary. It is amazing that many of you have traveled together until 180 videos, and many of you have also picked up the language so fast. I'm really amazed. In fact, I should thank you, otherwise I will not be making any more lessons if there are no one to benefit from them. How do you say certainly or for sure, definitely in Tamil? We use them for both as a confirmation from our side, such as, oh, certainly we'll come to the party. We also use it for, I would certainly come for the training, sir. This is more like obeying to someone. It is the same in Tamil as well. Imagine a father and mother visiting their family friend to invite them for a family event. We fixed betrothal for our daughter. You should definitely or certainly come. பொண்ணுக்கு நிச்சயதார்த்தம் வச்சிருக்கோம், கண்டிப்பா வரணும். Or அவசியம் வரணும். You must be knowing a betrothal it's a formal agreement for a wedding ceremony. In India, we do the arrangement by bringing in our close friends of people. It is called as nichayadhartham. That is another word for you to know. பொண்ணுக்கு நிச்சயதார்த்தம் வச்சிருக்கோம், கண்டிப்பா வரணும். Or அவசியம் வரணும். பொண்ணுக்கு நிச்சயதார்த்தம் வச்சிருக்கோம், கண்டிப்பா வரணும். அவசியமா வரணும். Now that you're spending time learning, make use of the Instagram. That can be a great tool to help you remember what you have learned. The Instagram is Learn Speak Tamil. And the family friend's response to that is like this. Oh, it's our family event. How could we miss it? We'll definitely or certainly come and wish. நம்ம வீட்டு விசேஷம், நாங்க இல்லாம எப்படி? கட்டாயம் or நிச்சயம் வந்து வாழ்த்தறோம். நம்ம வீட்டு விசேஷம், it is our family special event. They're using such a phrase because they are very close families. நாங்க, we or us, இல்லாம எப்படி? How can it be without us? கட்டாயம் or நிச்சயம், definitely or surely, வந்து will come and வாழ்த்தறோம், wish. நம்ம வீட்டு விசேஷம், நாங்கள் இல்லாமல் எப்படி? கட்டாயம் வந்து வாழ்த்துறோம். நம்ம வீட்டு விசேஷம், நாங்கள் இல்லாமல் எப்படி? நிச்சயம் வந்து வாழ்த்துறோம். For sure, definitely, certainly. கண்டிப்பா, நிச்சயம் or நிச்சயமா, which is more stressing. அவசியம், அவசியமா. கட்டாயம், கட்டாயமா. But கண்டிப்பா is the only word that you do not have a choice. For all the other three, you can say நிச்சயமா, அவசியமா, கட்டாயமா, means you're stressing on the point. For those of you new to this channel, you can have a look at the About, which will give you all the information about how to learn step by step in a short time, effectively. And you can also check the 180 videos in this learning library to enrich your Tamil. Thank you and vanakkam.